Here's how you can make $5,000 with a simple tactic on Fiverr selling products and services for free. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you how you can make money from Fiverr in 3 simple steps. To get our temporary email from tempemail.org. Second step is to get our products from IDPLR. Third step is to become a seller on Fiverr. Let's get into the first step, which is getting our temp email. First thing first, I want you guys to come to tempemail.org. Once you come to tempemail.org, this is where you'll get temporary emails to create accounts on IDPLR. Second step is to go to IDPLR. This is where we will get our products to sell or our softwares to sell on Fiverr, and we will sign up with our temp email. So you'll go to IDPLR, you'll copy your temp email from tempemail.org and you'll fill in the details above, your first name, last name, email and everything. Once you fill in that, you'll go to the next step. After you fill in your registration details, you'll come to this page and you click on here and it will take you to your access page where you can see all the products and services above. What I love about a site, it is software, ebooks, whatever you want to sell, whatever you're interested in or whatever niche you want to go into, you can sell a product for it for free. Note guys, this is a hack, so use your temp email to get free access every time when you generate new temp email. Step 3 is to become a seller on Fiverr. The third step is to come to Fiverr. Once you come to Fiverr, click on become a seller. This is where you'll be able to sell products and stuff on Fiverr. Once you filled in all your details, you can click on become a seller. When you click on become a seller, just follow the steps, and then you'll be able to fill in all your details of a product. So once you finish filling the details, your gig should look like this. You call it a gig. There should be different prices, but you can even set one price. You don't have to set different prices, but your gig should look like this. Then when someone comes to your page, they can buy from you. So once someone buys from you, right, you'll go to their conversation and that link that we copied from the Google Drive, that's the link you'll paste to them because that's the link they'll use to download the product or service which they paid for.